Hi guys, I'm Movinesh here from 23OE Tech. Today we're going to talk about this. Not the keys, but the power bank. I know it's tiny. It's the Tao power bank and I've been using it for past few days and I really like it. So I got a second one to do an unboxing video. So let's check it out. So guys, did you like the unboxing video? If yes, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys planning to get this Tao power bank, the link will be down on the description. It's currently going on in Indiegogo, so do check it out. So guys, I'm not asking you to purchase this power bank to replace your current power bank. Definitely not, because your current power bank will have a much more bigger capacity than this 1400 milliamp hour battery, which will give you about 32 to 45% of battery on an average smartphone, which will be helpful in certain situations where you're running out of battery at the end of the day with heavy task and usage on your phone to make some important calls or GPS navigation to a certain destination. That's when you should get this power bank, if you guys hate to bring a big huge ass power bank. So that's all for today. Catch you in the next one. Peace.